Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Good morning, J and K. What have we got in store today? I believe it is a good time to do an update, July
or August.
I know it's been about a month. As you can see, I found a better way to hold my phone up with easier access. I can look up, see who's calling, and I got a fan pointed right at it for ventilation. Another fan over there, and all that good stuff. Didn't do my dishes last night, but I did make me coffee this morning. But I have been getting my place in a lot better order. As you can see, I've got me my little box right there that I can toss that bag that I fill up with my daily stuff in, my stuff that I stick in my pocket. Got my extra mouse out for my tablet, got all my tools and stuff cleaned up, put in a box right over there. But if you notice, it's a different recliner. It's actually a lot more solid, which is good for me, but it's a lot more reasonable for the size of my RV. And it's much better shape. It's not kind of slanted to one side and kind of twisted a little bit. You know, it's actually, you know, and I found it on the side of the road. It was all leaning down and the bottoms was missing some bolts and stuff. I tightened it all back up and bleached it out, cleaned it out with the back, you know, shot back, and boom, got it working real good. And there, you can see the old recliner out there. Oh, you know, speaking of which, did you notice? Yes, how clean my screen is. They're all clean. I actually realized, especially right behind these fans where you couldn't see too well, they're building up a lot of dust, and it was kind of making me wonder, why is it so much cooler outside than it is inside sometimes, especially after the sun goes down? And it's because these screens were all dirty. So it's actually a bit of a project, because there's, what did I count? 9 or 12 windows and screens in my place. But anyway, I just pop them out, toss them in the thing, grab the sprayer with the high pressure, and just both sides, shake them out real good, send them back in, go to the next screen, you know, close and open each window as I'm doing it. And eventually I get them all done, and I'm going to try to make that a monthly practice and weekly practice. Maybe bi-weekly is coming up in here and cleaning all the fans out. But if you notice, all the fan blades are clean as well. You know, trying to keep that in good shape. Sometimes the little water thingy gets clogged so it doesn't spray out, so I got to get up in there with the Q-tip and alcohol. So anyway, I found some good ways to clean and maintain all of my fans now, and it's been making a big difference. Speaking of which, I got the hydrometer and I checked my batteries, and they barely made the thing float, but enough to let me know that the hydrometer is working and there is some acid left in the battery. So this is the second time in a row now in the last like 4 weeks that I've added sulfuric acid, topping them off. So I'm gonna grab the hydrometer here real soon and check them and see if I'm making any significant differences in my balance. And I guess last, certainly not least, is my bicycle out there with a gas motor. Okay, check it out, man. $50 bicycle. Had to do the got the bearings solved on it, and really needed some new tires. And anyway, I put mirrors on it, a horn, and bought some new tires and new crank pieces and everything. Got it all working. New brakes, put brakes on the front, didn't have brakes on the front. Anyway, installed the tires on it, brand new tires. And about 10 minutes after I installed this tire, pow! And there goes one of my good tubes as well. So I put the old tires back on it, bought a brand new tube for it. I guess it's over here now. Put a brand new tube on it, filled it up, took it down to Dannie's, and then on the way back, right before the bridge, the back tire went pow. There goes the brand new tube I put in the back tire. I don't know if the tube failed or if the old tire, back tire just, you know, there was a reason why I replaced it before I wanted to ride it around a lot. Anyway, so now I'm short a tube, and because I got to return both tires. The seller won't just take one tire back. I got to return them both. You know, it's $40 for those tires too. I spent a lot of extra money on those tires to get color matching, street tread, decent quality tires. And so, here I am almost 2 months later, almost $600 into this thing, and I still can't ride it because just the parts I get for it are terrible. I've had to go through two clutches. Took 2 or 3 weeks to get one clutch that should have took 2 to 4 days. Took like 2 to 4 weeks. So anyway, as soon as I get to go Walmart again and I'm just buying cheap Walmart tires and tubes for that thing at this point. I'm not color matching into everything, and once I get it working, I might even sell it. You know what I mean? But anyway, so that's what I've been up to, and I'm gonna make an awesome video on that, on how to put it together and build it and everything when I got done with that. And boy, this is gonna make some good Budgie video footage right here, I think. So anyway, oh, Danny's got his peanut trailer almost finished. I should take some more pictures and should probably update you guys on that. The little Bose speaker has been just an amazing little addition to my off-grid and thing. Take it to me to the peanut stand every day and just jam out to it all day. It doesn't give me no trouble no more. Since I got my new recliner, I noticed I can't set my tablet on there, and really I can't use the mouse on that either. Two things: one, the material, it's got this cross stitching in it that the tablet and the computer mice don't like. And okay, as I get ready to head out, I pull the phone off the stand and I put it up in the phone case, and then the wallet strapped to my pants. I get ready to put on some birdie beats. Got my hat, my sunglasses, my vaporizer, my earbuds, keys, pocket change. Went ahead and made sure I made my bed. Did my dishes. Make sure I turn on the fans for the birds. Make sure I put the birds up in the cage. Shut down the computer. Turn off the inverter and the power supply. Grab a portable fan. Oops. Dump the water out of it. Toss it in a little to-go bag with everything else. I've got my bag of stuff for the day. I got my tablet, fan, Bose speaker. I just picked that up, carry it with me. And I guess all that's left. Oops. Anyway, and then after I get dressed, I head out the door and see what else we have in store. See you later, J&K. Look at a pretty bird. Look at a pretty bird. Back at it again. Cool. That's so awesome to see little birds getting along so well. Not that they have hardly any problems getting along as it is, but it's just nice to see them keep on getting along, I guess I should say, huh? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. They are such pretty birdies.
Here we go. They're the star today. Yeah, our buddy. They're the superstars today.
Hi, Jay. Hi, Mr. J. What you doing, buddy? It's so good to see you. Yeah. Yeah, buddy, are you just a little ball of joy? Yeah. Yeah, aren't you just a little ball of joy today? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Yeah. Tweet, tweet, tweet from a little tweeter. Jaybird, 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 you're such a pretty bird. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Jaybird, what you gonna say today? What you gonna say today, Mr. J? Yeah. Hi, Mr. Tweeter. Hi. Hi, Mr. Tweeter. Hi. Peekaboo, I see you. What you doing, Jay? What you doing, Jay? What you doing, Jay? What you doing, Jay?
Answer the phone, Joshua!